Plastic waste and landfills are huge unsolved problems for our country. 300 tons of plastic waste is generated in a day in Chennai city alone. Determined to do something about this alarming problem, Team Enviro from IIT Madras has come up with a new idea. A community-level, easy-to-operate, solar-assisted semi-automatic pyrolysis garbage units which could convert the solid waste to fuel products with less time and minimal environmental impacts.
This being a prototype, our main objective is to make it into a mobile, a larger 100 kg ton system. So we are planning it on like a little larger scale, 100 kg a day, and it has to be mobile so that it can be taken to semi-urban areas and rural, not strictly rural, but semi-urban and rural areas, so that we can, because in rural areas basically the plastic generation is going to be less and collection is going to be also very difficult. So if we can collect plastics from rural areas around say a month, once a month, then we can take it to this mobile system which can be just on a lorry container, so that it can be moved from one place to another. So for example, if we can have it in Jollarpet and then we move it to Vellore. Once the plastic consumption is over, then we move it to Vellore or some other district there which is in a semi-urban area. So that is our other objective. This is our main objective, to make it mobile and decentralized. So there will be no landfills where this plastic is just being dumped. So we can clear those landfills is our main objective.
Depending upon the purity of plastic, whatever we are feeding in, the residue will be vary. If you feed a good amount of, a good purity of, or the same kind of plastics, then the residue will be less than 5%. If your mixed waste contains more in it, for example, in some of the polymeric covers, we have more fillers as well as more innets to withstand the temperature. Sometimes they will add more colorants to attract the customers. So that time automatically the purity of plastic goes down. The residue the residue comes from the process also build up. It's depending upon the quality of plastic or quality of feed what we are going to feed in. It depends upon the quality mainly. If you have more HDP, high density polyethylene kind of thing, then lot of gases will come instead of oil. So we have to optimize the process in such a way that the yield should be maximized and off gases should be minimized and residue should be minimized. For example, each kind of plastic has its own process conditions. Polypropylene can be operated only in the region of 300 to 450 degrees Celsius. Polyethylene can be processed only in the range of 450 to 550 degrees Celsius. Then polyethylene, other LDP, low density polyethylene can be used only in 400 to 500 range. If you go beyond that operation conditions, then automatically the conversion of condensation will reduce, then the gases becomes more lighter and try to escape mostly. So we have to optimize the process parameters depending upon the polymer what we are going to feed inside the reactor.